In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct debits using your Wise account. Whether you're new to Wise or looking to streamline your financial management, this guide will walk you through the process in simple, easy-to-follow steps. First things first, you'll need to open your Wise account. If you haven't done so yet, head over to the Wise website and sign up. For those of you who already have an account, make sure to log in before proceeding. This ensures that you'll have access to all the features we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage. Wise has made it quite intuitive, so don't worry, everything you need is right at your fingertips. On your homepage, you'll notice an option labeled Direct Debits. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to set up recurring payments with ease, helping you manage your outgoing expenses effortlessly. After clicking Direct Debits, you'll see an option to set up a new direct debit. Click this option to begin the process. It's a straightforward feature that simplifies managing your regular payments, and getting started is just a click away. Next, you'll be prompted to select a currency for your direct debit. Choose the currency in which you plan to make these payments. For today's demonstration, let's go with USD. It's a common currency, and selecting it should make it easier if you're making international payments. At this point, if you haven't yet verified your account with Wise, the platform will prompt you to do so. It's an important step, but nothing to worry about. It's Wise's way of ensuring security for both you and the service providers you'll be working with. Once you've gone through the verification steps, you'll need to deposit a certain amount. This deposit is necessary to access the direct debit feature. You'll know you're on the right track when you receive confirmation that your account has been verified. Now, with your account verified, it's time to add money if you haven't already. Adding funds is essential as it's the financial backbone that supports your direct debits. Once you've deposited the necessary amount and your account is fully set up, Wise will handle the verification quickly, providing you with peace of mind and a seamless user experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the convenience of setting up direct debits with Wise. This feature will undoubtedly make your financial management smoother, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting you on the right track to managing your money more efficiently. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and happy managing.